Have you ever pondered the question, what would happen if Mercury and Mars collided? An intriguing thought, isn't it? The idea of two planets colliding is both terrifying and fascinating. So, let's dive into this hypothetical scenario and explore the cosmic implications. Mercury and Mars, two planets in our solar system, orbit the Sun at quite different distances. Mercury, the innermost planet, is much closer to the Sun than Mars. For these two bodies to collide, an unlikely series of gravitational disturbances would need to occur. These could be influenced by external factors such as a massive asteroid or gravitational perturbations from other celestial bodies. Assuming this improbable scenario does occur, the dynamics of the impact would be complex. Mercury, being smaller, would likely collide with Mars at a high velocity. The energy released from such a collision could be immense, potentially leading to the fragmentation of both planets and creating a debris field in their orbital paths. The collision would generate a massive amount of debris. Some fragments could be ejected into space, while others might form a new asteroid belt or add to existing ones. This event could alter the gravitational balance within the solar system, affecting the orbits of nearby planets and celestial objects. Although both Mercury and Mars have thin atmospheres, the collision could release gases and particles into space, creating temporary and dynamic phenomena. The potential interaction between the released materials and the solar wind could influence the composition of the solar system's exosphere. While Earth would not be directly impacted by the collision due to the vast distances involved, the subsequent changes in the solar system's dynamics could have long-term consequences. Altered gravitational forces and potential changes in the distribution of asteroids could influence the stability of Earth's orbit and the prevalence of near-Earth objects. To conclude, while the probability of a collision between Mercury and Mars is astronomically low, exploring such hypothetical scenarios allows us to better understand the interconnected nature of celestial bodies within our solar system. Such an event would have far-reaching consequences, affecting the orbits, atmospheres, and gravitational dynamics of neighboring planets and celestial bodies. However, it's crucial to remember that such events are extremely rare in the vast expanse of our cosmic neighborhood.